box with another fan. I already know what it is because my little avatar thing at the corner said what it is, so you want to see it, so let's do this right now. And it is, like I said, it's another Arctic Air. This will make my second Arctic Air, but that first one, the motor got fucked up, so it's pretty much now paperweight, parts fan, whatever. I bought this because, well, it was on the bay for a little while, and I love these blades. I mean, the blade design almost looks like Airmaster, but it's not. And I would show off my other Arctic, my Fasco Arctic Air for comparison purposes, but I don't have that with me. Might change that, I don't know. And before I forget, it's a model number 129 something with a 5400ths of an amp. Let me see if I can't look at it. I think it's 129S, but I'll let you look at that. So yeah, here's the bottom. Typical Fasco. Of course, yeah, Fasco Arctic Air. In fact, this was when Arctic Air was its own brand, but then Fasco made it their own, made it their line. So I mean, it's the same thing. So let me plug this up and we'll give it a go. Unfortunately, I don't have the watt meter out with me. I didn't feel like bringing it, so this is going to be like, this is sort of rushed. So here's high. I can tell you right now it's going to need oil, but if it's like my other two Fascos, give it some time to work itself. Oh, there we go. That's a nice startup sound too. So, go. Very little difference. I'm probably going to have to get the watt meter on this one because see if the oscillator works. Holy crap, it does. Spend our time now. Definitely going to need oil because who knows when the last time this was oiled or serviced or whatnot. So, and you know what? Just for shits and giggles, I'm going to get that watt meter out. So, hang on. Okay, take two because I forgot to start the tape. So, and I think the data plate says it runs 5400ths of an amp. So, here's high. Or on watts, but you get the idea. Still running a tad high, but yeah. Put it on low. Yeah. Shoot some oil, re-grease the gearbox. Amperage should be better. Span time should be better too. I mean, yeah. Alright, I guess that's going to finish this video of this circa 40s-ish Arctic Air made by Fasco, model 129 something. I mean, seriously, I only got it because, well, Fascos are those fans that you just love to hate. I mean, they were the kind that, I mean, they were alright, but they just weren't a whole lot around, and whatever did work, didn't work. I don't know where this was going, but I got this because I love the blade design, almost like a Airmaster-ish, and I have the Fasco Arctic Air. And hopefully this will be better than the other Arctic Air, that smaller one that couldn't get fixed, and it's now parts. It's rusting a little bit, but who knows. Might be a good shop fan, might be a good candidate for restoration to replace the 2154 that I have on my bookshelf. Which I'm not getting rid of, I just tend to rotate them out every so often. Who knows? So I guess until next time, wherever it is, I'm Eskie. Thanks for watching. The comment box is open.